What if your Galaxy Z Fold 7 could do more than just multitask? What if it could motivate you to move? In today's video, we're diving into the 6 best fitness trackers that sync perfectly with your Fold 7. Welcome to the channel. Check out the links in the description to grab yours now. The number 6 product on our list is LIGE Fitness Tracker Can. A smartwatch truly replace both your fitness tracker and business companion? The LIGE Fitness Tracker just might. Built with a bold 1.85-inch display that glows even under sunlight, it's crafted not just for step counts, but for real-world sophistication. Imagine handling your calls mid-jog with crystal clarity thanks to its noise-cancelling mic and sharp Bluetooth 5. And that battery, up to 60 days standby, feels like a quiet victory in a world full of daily charging stress. Many struggle to find a tracker that looks good with a suit and still survives a mountain hike. This one does both, with military-grade toughness and over 100 sport modes for every workout you can imagine. It's not perfect, the size may feel chunky for smaller wrists, but its stainless steel body screams durability. Compared to others in the same category, it bridges health, elegance, and utility without compromise. For anyone who demands reliability and premium looks without sacrificing performance, this is a smart choice, worth serious attention. Number 5 is WeurGhy Fitness Tracker. Ever felt like your fitness tracker just couldn't keep up with your lifestyle, or worse, looked out of place during a meeting? The WeurGhy Fitness Tracker might be the elegant answer you didn't know you needed. This isn't just another gadget. It blends a premium 1.85-inch IPS display with surprisingly crisp visuals, making every step count feel sharper, bolder, and more real. Paired with your Galaxy Z Fold 7, it's more than smart, it's seamless. The stainless steel strap adds a layer of sophistication that most budget trackers can't even dream of. Touch response is buttery smooth, making navigation feel like second nature. And despite its classy looks, it tracks your activity reliably, even under sunlight. While some might prefer a rubber strap for workouts, those who value form with function will find it a joy to wear. It's not for everyone, but if you're tired of plastic fitness bands and want something that looks as serious as your goals, this one's worth every glance. Number 4 is Aeac Fit Trackerness. Most people struggle to find a fitness tracker that looks sharp, feels light, and actually motivates them. But the WeurGhy Fitness Tracker changes that narrative instantly. Right out of the box, it feels like something designed with real-life movement in mind. Pairing it with your device is effortless, and once synced, the real magic begins. From the vibrant AMOLED screen to its 110-plus activity modes, every detail screams versatility and focus. Tired of trackers that die halfway through the week? This one lasts up to 10 days on a single charge, giving peace of mind that your progress won't be interrupted. The health insights it offers, sleep, heart rate, oxygen, stress, feel empowering rather than overwhelming, helping you take smarter steps each day, is water-resistant, smooth on the wrist, and perfect for both beginners and serious fitness enthusiasts. We've tried others, but few feel this natural and responsive in real-world use. If your current tracker feels like a chore, this might just be your smartest upgrade yet. The third one on our list is Amazfit Fitness Tracker. Imagine a fitness tracker so tough it laughs in the face of freezing snowstorms and desert heat. Welcome to the Amazfit experience. Most people worry about battery drain during long hikes or losing GPS when it matters most. This one crushes both problems with over 3 weeks of battery life and 6 satellite systems locking in your location with surgical precision. Paired with your Z Fold 7, it doesn't just sync, it empowers. That ultra-bright AMOLED screen, you can read it in blazing sunlight or pitch darkness without missing a stat. Built like a tank, with stainless steel and water resistance down to depths few dare, it's more than durable, it's survival-ready. The 170-plus workout modes and real-time AI coaching make it a personal trainer that never quits. If you value clarity, confidence, and pure outdoor reliability, this one stands apart. It's not for the casually curious, it's for those serious about performance. Choose this if you demand power with purpose. On number 2 is Samsung Fitness Tracker. What if your wrist could unlock not just your fitness goals, but a smarter, healthier version of you? That's the promise this powerhouse delivers, seamlessly syncing with your foldable device to become the most personal coach you've ever worn. The first moment I used its composition analysis, I was stunned. It wasn't just steps and heart rate, it gave me skeletal muscle and body fat breakdowns in seconds. People often struggle to stay consistent because they don't see progress clearly. This tracker fixes that. Sleep tracking isn't a gimmick here. It gently guides you to better rest, analyzing your SpO2 levels through the night. Whether you're casually rowing or pushing for a 10K, it auto-detects movement and motivates through live coaching. I love how it balances performance and lifestyle, letting you pay, stream, and navigate, all from your wrist. If you crave data-driven wellness with real-world comfort and smart daily features, this one's made for you. Still unsure? Wait till you feel the difference. Now moving to the last one is Garmin Fitness Tracker. Most people think fitness trackers are all the same until they try this one. Garmin doesn't just count your steps, it decodes your body's signals like a personal health coach. From its stunning AMOLED display to the personalized sleep coaching and energy monitoring, everything feels thoughtfully built for real-life demands. If you're pairing it with a Galaxy Z Fold 7, the connection is seamless. Notifications are snappy, and syncing health stats is instant. The 11-day battery gives peace of mind, especially during travel or intense training weeks. For those who struggle with understanding their energy levels, its body battery feature is a lifesaver. What really sets it apart in this list of high-performing fitness companions is the way it adapts. Wheelchair mode, nap detection, even meditation tracking. However, the interface might feel overwhelming at first, especially if you're switching from a simpler band. But if you want accurate tracking, deep insights, and real-world comfort, this one's absolutely worth the commitment. So guys, this was the video about the 6 best Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7 fitness trackers. All the links are given in the description. Do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.